Hey everybody, Preppreneurs 1 here. It is still Saturday, April 16th, 2022. Bulldozer guy's been working here. He started doing this at about 10 this morning, or 10:30 I think it was, 10:30 this morning. It is now 3:30 in the afternoon. He said he's going to stay until 5. I just kind of want to show you what he's been doing. He asked me if I wanted to put some of this dirt back here. And I said, absolutely, that'd be awesome, because now we can, you know, if we want to do something back here, we have an area that is fairly level. You can kind of see from the corner here, I don't know if you can kind of see it slopes down, and that's okay. But it's an area that can be worked with. And I will take you over here. You can kind of get an idea. A lot of the dirt got pushed over the edge and stuff like that, which is just fine. It extends us either way, and that's a great thing. So I'm going to go up over in this area and kind of show you, and we're going to talk about what this is going to be all about here. So this basically, guys, is going to be the first bench, if you will, where he has been digging in here, and he's going to continue to go back more. But he's flattening out this entire area, and this would be the area that we're going to be using. To do, you know, putting the buildings in here. So at first I thought we could get 2 buildings in here comfortably, you know, and I thought that 3 might be a little bit too much. But honestly, with him, you know, he's still gonna go farther back this way. I don't see an issue with getting 3 buildings in here. I don't think there's going to be an issue with that at all, to be honest with you. Now, what I will do, and some of you have mentioned icy or something and somebody's coming down the hill, I will put poles or post, you know, heavy duty post. So if somebody slid down the hill, they're going to hit those posts, and they're not going to come into the houses when the houses are here. And so, but I don't know if you can kind of tell. Let me go back over in this direction. So you can see this is much flatter. It's going to make a huge difference with what we're trying to do up here, you know. And you know, like I said, slow and steady, but this is a big step today, getting this part done, because now, you know, will be tomorrow. My other buddy's coming with his miniature bobcat or backhoe, and we're going to be able to take stone over here, lay it down in this first area where we're going to put the first building, and kind of go from there. But it's been a very good day. We'll just watch him work here a little bit. But really happy with this, getting this part squared away. It's a beautiful day down here. It's probably about 70, I think. I don't even know. Let me take a look. I will tell you what the temperature is. Hold on 1 second, and I will tell you where we're at. Let's see. We were at 71 degrees. Sun feels much hotter than that, to be honest with you, since we're out here in it. But so it's 71, beautiful, perfect day. I mean, the sun is kicking on the panels, and the sky looks pretty nice. You know, some clouds in there, but nothing bad. But yeah, he's been working at this, like I said, for quite a while. He's going to stay here, like I said, until 5. So I think he's going to, you know, hit the rest of this. If we get this part of all this part done today, I will be extremely happy. It's going to make such a huge difference, and it's going to be awesome. But it has been, you know, seeing things coming together, getting as much work done down here as we have on this trip has been amazing. I want to thank everybody that has, you know, come down, helped me out, you know, worked with me on this and all that type of stuff. You know, some of the people I already knew. I've met a lot of new people, and I just think, you know, like I said, if we continue to keep working on things. It's going to be amazing, and what we can accomplish is endless. It's a great piece of property down here, and I just think that there is like so much potential of what we can do here that is just going to be absolutely amazing. And so, you know, time will tell, obviously, but you know, we got a great start on everything, and you know, that's what's important. Just keep plugging away at it. Real quick, I do want to remind everybody, I have a sale going on right now on my website, preppernurse1.com. It is the Legacy freeze-dried food sale that we got going on, and they're making us raise prices as of May 1st. So I wanted to do a 20% off sale before that time. So if you are, let me come back over here. If you are interested in saving 20%, you go to my website, preppernurse1.com, click on store, drop down, and you will see the Legacy freeze-dried foods. You click on that, it will take you to the store within the website. Once you are there, what we have available is there, 25-year shelf life, GMO free, gluten options available, so definitely take advantage of those things. Again, it's just, so you want to use the discount code Spring Sale 2022. When you check out, you'll save 20% off on your purchase. So it's almost like a double savings, because I'm trying to save you guys some money before the prices increase. And so I think that that's important to try to, you know, and especially the way things are going. Food prices are never going to go down, guys. They're just going to go up higher and higher and higher. So the more that you are prepared, the better situation that you're going to be in. Being as self-reliant as you can. And the Legacy freeze-dried food is a great way to do that. It gives you that advantage and edge, you know, long-term situation. So definitely take advantage of that, all right? Also on my website, we have the Forefathers, which is a CBD and hemp store. Check them out as well. And so if you go to my website, you will see the Forefathers Organic. You click on that, and once you click on that, it will take you to their website. When you're on their website, make sure you use the discount code PrepperNurse1 if you decide to make a purchase, and you will save 15%, I'm sorry, over on theirs, 15% on their website by using that discount code. And it's the number 1, not ONE. So definitely take advantage of that. Also, we have the PrepperNurse1 community, which is a resource that we've set up for you guys to be able to connect with like-minded people. Definitely take advantage of that as well. Again, free to join. You do have to register, but no credit card information is asked, okay? So definitely take advantage of that. Now I was going to show you something here, guys, too. So some of these trees are getting swallowed up by the dirt, right? So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to take those trees down, because otherwise the dirt's going to smother them anyway, and it's going to kill the trees, and then the trees would come down, you know, on the buildings and stuff like that. So we're going to be taking some of these trees down here, and again, that can be firewood for next year. That's not a problem, and you know, we'll go from there. But really, really happy with this. Again, another step in the right direction, and continuing to work on what we're going to be doing down here, and just building on it from there. Slow and steady, it's coming together, and before you know it, we will have a pretty decent homestead down here, a start of one, and then it's just a matter of slowly working on, you know, getting things done. It's amazing to watch an operator that knows what he's doing when they're working, when they're doing their task, and you can tell this gentleman absolutely knows what he's doing. It's been a real pleasure to watch him work. He's not no farting around. He's been getting at it all day, and he's moved a lot of dirt today. I mean, if you can't tell from back here, and then even back in here, and the amount of dirt that he's pushed this way, it's a lot of dirt today, a lot of dirt. So, and he's not done yet, obviously. So, good day, productive day. I'm really happy about it. We went down back here. I'll kind of walk over here. We went down and we took the trailer hooked it up to the truck and took the trailer down and loaded everything, all the rest of the rounds and everything, and the scrap that we had down here from the tree that I took down yesterday. And just kind of show you that it's all cleaned up. There's one more log I gotta just buck up. I'm not doing it today, but so we cleaned all that up. That's all cleaned up. There's one log over there that has to be bucked up yet, but everything else is cleaned up down there. We took the truck down, loaded everything up, brought it all up here for the fire. The rounds are behind these guys, and then all the smaller scrap stuff went in here. So got plenty of firewood for fires, and that's a good thing as well. But really happy of how things are coming together. It's going to be a lot of fun here, guys. There's so much potential. This whole area right here is going to get bulldozed as well. Not today, but this will get cleaned out too, and this will be another area that's going to get flattened out and squared away. So, you know, so that's pretty much it. You know, that's what we got going on today. It's been, like I said, productive day. Doing a little bit of work ourselves, and then getting to watch somebody else work has been a lot of fun too. So, but like I said, really happy. It's coming together, and then, you know, the next step is getting the prep work done for the building, getting set up and get ready for that. And so we'll be doing that, and you know, slow and steady wins the race. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off of here for now. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. Beautiful day down here today, perfect temperature. And so anyway, remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that out, we are going to be in much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only person that is going to stop you from reaching your goals and accomplishing what you want to accomplish is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.